La Pynlong ya ke awareness camp kom field day and input distribution program Mynta Sngi ha KVK Agriculture Science Center ke bedon ha YAJR West Jaintia Hills. Kumbanya pusan ngot kinong yo mentoy na West Jaintia Hills District la yo ya art quintal ki jingbam Snyang ki borti steel bat ki jan jri. Nodal officer belong ru principal scientist ke NRCP Dr. Pranab J Das ula pentip ba ke jing temu jong ke ne ke program ke long ban kershan bat ai jing hikai yakinong rep kat kum ke juk start ke Mynta.
Very small, we call it run.
Shoe and you come to your house and after coming.
So this is the first time we are in the Jaintia Hills with the collaboration of KVK Jaintia Hills. We are distributing 75 farmers today. 2 quintals of feeds, 1 steel buckets and 1 raincoat each of the farmers. So this will be the continued process. After this, we will see how their improvement has been done, whether farmers double income, Prime Minister call has been like actually happened in the field level. So we 3 scientists coming from the NRC on pig, National Research Center on pig, and this process will be continued, and we will come again for their training, and we will call them for the training in our institute, so that the farmers will be benefited most, and they have a commercial pig farming or sustainable, economical sustainable pig farming.
Kum Shibenta ban Pynlong